Boo, hi.
Привет, Animateka.
Bonjour.
Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Veliki pozdrav svima.
Thank you for having my film in your festival.
Oh, hello. My name is Maja Lovrenov.
My name is Geza M. Todt.
My name is Aljona Baranova.
Moje ime je Marija Vulić.
My name is Ellen Ducrot.
My name is Larissa, I'm from Slovenia.
I'm Gerd.
And I am Jesus Perez.
And we are the directors of the film Black and White.
Hello, Animateka. It's me, Isaac King.
I'm the director of Matilda and the Spearhead.
And I'm the director of Ripin.
And my film is Mitch Match.
Ja sam zajedno sa mojim ćerkom Isidorom Vulić, autor filma Trkija.
And my film is Leaf. I'm the director.
So here we have like a shooting studio. That's where we do our stop motion magic.
And here is my desktop.
Here's our messy kitchen.
I was the director of Whatever Tree. First of all, here's the tree.
Here is Lupin.
And here's the workshop where we can meet Matilda herself. Say hi.
He's a little wolf that is lost in the forest and goes to the village.
I've also got a squirrel here eating a real pine cone.
She wasn't breaking through all of the production, but after I gave it to my children to play for a couple of hours, and that's it.
I took a box full of matches, and just like in my early childhood, I started to play with these matchsticks.
And our film is dealing with tolerance, and it is about how stupid it is to bully somebody, to mob somebody.
To je film o večitom fenomenu lepote i čovekovoj potrebi da tu lepotu pridobije.
This project is a part of a bigger one called Les Mal-Aimés.
I hope it's gonna hug you in these difficult times.
And I hope you will enjoy the film and you feel something from my playful and joyful and maybe a bit childish activity.
And oh guys, how I would love to be with you in lovely Ljubljana, chewing on a greasy burek from Burek Olympia right now.
That's it. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you. Enjoy the festival.
See you later. Au revoir.
And na svidenje.